Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 video series. So in this video we're going to be learning about inline CSS. So we're actually starting with CSS now. CSS is actually quite fun. Okay, so let's first learn how to change the color of text. Okay, so let's change the color of this H1 heading here. So we add a style attribute to it. And the style attribute basically allows us to add CSS. Okay, so inside of the style attribute we can write CSS. So if for instance we can say color colon, and let's make it brown. Okay, and then semicolon. Okay, this is basically CSS we have here now. We're changing the color of this H1 heading to brown, and it must end with a semicolon, because then we can add something else. Let's first save it. Now you can see the heading is brown. If you have a semicolon here, then we can add something else next to it, such as background color. Then we can give it the background color of, let's say, yellow, semicolon, as you can see. So now we use CSS to change the color to brown and the background color to yellow of this H1 heading. That works. Let's for instance change the font family of this paragraph. Okay, so we can say font family, and then let's make it what fonts are there. We can make it Helvetica semicolon. Okay, so we save it, and now you'll see the font will change to Helvetica. Boom, the font changed, as you can see. Let's take it back. Let's remove it again. You see, okay, and this is basically what CSS is. It allows us to change how the website looks. Okay, let's go here and add a div element. Div is basically just for layouts. Okay, and now we can add a style to it, and just to make it look a bit nice, I'm going to be pressing enter here. Add the styles here. Okay, so let's give it a width of, let's say, 500 pixels and a height of, let's say, 800 pixels. So we save it now and refresh. We won't actually see it. Okay, let's actually make this 700. Okay, but let's say for instance we add a background color to it. Oops, background color to it. Let's make the background color red. Okay, then you'll actually see that, okay, it's a bit big. Let's make this width 300 and the height 500. Here we can see. Okay, so here is the red block now, and we use CSS to style this block. Then for instance we can add text in the block, and text will be black. So for instance we can now say color to, let's say, for instance, aqua. This means that all of the text inside of this div will be aqua. Okay, so similar as what we did with the H1 heading here, and you can also do this with, for instance, a paragraph. As for instance, what other CSS is there? There's basically hundreds of different CSS styling you can add. Okay, you can even, for instance, go and add a border. Okay, let's for instance make a border of 5 pixels wide. Of what color will it be? Let's first give it a solid. Okay, solid is basically a straight line, and then we'll make it green, spring green. Okay, save it, refresh. Now we have a border. Good, and you can change the border size here. For instance, 50 pixels is like quite big, and you can maybe make it dotted, then dots. So you can play around a bit with that. Okay, and that's basically all I wanted to show you guys today, is how to have inline CSS. And this is inline CSS. We added using the style attribute. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.